What do you think about that, Rosabelle? I didn't get that. What was that? What'd you say? Is this a new thing you learned today, Carrie? You picked this up all by yourself? See all those little loud babies around the other. What are you saying? You're loud. Like your mama.
Like your daddy.
This is new, huh? Yeah, you are. Just like your mama.
What else did you learn today? Oh, yeah? Then what?
So is a lot of talking getting you tired? How's that ball? Is your ball good? Yeah. Yeah. Just like your mama. Alright, say goodbye to the camera, Rosabelle. Say goodbye.
Bye.